over here, please. Inside. You're gonna connect your harness to this thing over here. Around. There you go. Okay, double check. Leg straps, shoulders, carabiners, helmet. Okay, we are ready. Please get your arms inside like this. You grab the harness from here.
This one too?
Yeah, do the same over here. Like this. Like this. There you go. This is to push yourself inside of the harness. Okay.
Push myself?
Yeah, we're gonna take off with you sitting already.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Walk. Ready.
So.
Sit, man. Sit. Yes. Yes. Right.
Acomódate.
Ya, sí. Correte hacia atrás. Good.
Guys, I think we're yeah, perfect, awesome. I think we're going down right now. This is a crazy experience, guys. Unbelievable experience. Check this out. This is unbelievable how this looks. People on the ground level, they're just looking up and they're like amazed by that, because they're just, wow, like what's going on? and like they're like shooting with their phones and stuff. All right, and I'm really curious how this is gonna go, like in landing, how it's gonna work. I'm really curious. Let's see. Descending more and more. Let's see how it's gonna go out. Alright, here we go guys, we're gonna land. Let's see how it plays out. Alright, are we gonna land on the roof? That's really interesting. Alright, let's go. Wow. It's actually, the driver controls that very well, man. Wow, dude. Woo! How is he gonna play out? Amigo, get out of the way.
How do you like it?
Oh,
was it good?
shit,
Stand up on your
dude.
feet.
Unbelievable, dude.
I see your face.
Oh.
Hay otro.
Okay. Wow.
A caer. Sí. Now you can get out of the harness. I'm sorry, you can get out of the. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. We're good?
This, yeah. So here, this way. So tell me all about it. How is it?
It's a pure adrenaline.
I told you.
That's what it is.
It's lovely. You get addicted.
Wow.
You want to be there for hours and hours.
For hours. It's not enough.
I told you.
As soon as you go off in the air, you just can't believe what you see. It's unbelievable.
It seems that at times it stops.
It does, yeah.
And you can be there for hours and hours. It's so relaxing.
You know how you told me it's a different dimension? Like, I totally agree with that.
Yes, it's true. It's another dimension.
It's a different world. Do you take it off like this?
Like this one first.
Both at the same time, yeah?
Muy bien, amigo. Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias to you guys. Wow. That's it?
Yep.
All right. Nice to meet you a lot, man. What was your name?
Everything. Ruben.
Ruben.
If you go to Medellin, I have my office over there. Paraglider Medellin.
Sounds good, Medellin. All right, Ruben. Nice to meet you. Dude,
Right, give me the picture when you open it in your phone, please.
thank you guys.
Thank you, man.
What was that experience? I don't even know what to say. Hold on. That was a crazy experience, guys. I can't talk. I'm just gonna, whatever I say right now is gonna ruin the experience. I'm just gonna cut the video here right now because this was, wow. What was that? What the hell just happened, man? Did that just happen? I don't know. Oh my god.